Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're doing a front porch Christmas makeover. Here's our blank canvas that will be transformed. We appreciate your support. Please hit subscribe and like. Here's my son and I carrying out our heavy steel urns for our topiary trees. With the urns in place, we're getting ready to light them up. We have the lights out. Now we're just going to stuff the lower balls with some lights and then wrap them around the foliage on the bottom. Then I'll insert the top of the topiary tree, the ornament part, and there we go, that's the tree. And we'll wrap the lights around there on the bottom. For your money-saving tips and information on how to make these, we have a little link here below for you to hit and check it out. These topiary trees are really easy to make and the result is absolutely amazing. You'll just love it. You'll be seeing a lot of pretty things in this video, and down below we'll have a link to every single project we've done for this project. So save yourself some money and give them a try. Check our site for a video on how to make these Lowe's present hacks. The result is absolutely amazing as well. Now we're going to be hanging up our kissing ball. Looking forward to some of the action under that little baby this Christmas. Just blowing some kisses out to all our subscribers and watchers out there. See those cute little lanterns? I'm going to show you how to make them. Always fun to use things that you already have around the house. These we had in the garage and thought we'd give them a fresh look. So we just took them all apart and washed the glass. Gave them all a fresh coat of paint. And for the paint we used a Rust-Oleum sateen to give it a nice shine. Once the painting is finished and the glass is washed, it's time to put them all back together. So these lanterns weren't lit before, but we decided to use a string of lights with a timer on it and stuff it inside. Once the lights are stuffed in and put in place, put on a nice little red ribbon that we got from Dollar Tree. Aren't those just darling? I love them. And they're Harry approved as well. And these are our Christmas lantern DIYs. We have a link below if you want to check out how to make your own as well. Here's Jay setting out our Christmas snow globe.
Here's how we make this sweet little tree. So I have this cute little Coke can. I figured Santa would like it since he drinks Coke. And I'm going to put a little Christmas tree in it. Dollar Tree has little Christmas trees for $1.25, so this is a great deal. They're a little thin, so what I'm going to do is use two Christmas trees backed towards each other. So I'm just going to twist the tip of both trees together just so it looks like one thicker stem. I'm just going to use a zip tie just to attach two trees together. And just push it into the oasis, and now it's nice and secure. So now I'm going to add some lights. These are on a timer, so they're on for 6 hours, not for 18. I'll wind them securely on and add a little bird on the top, and there you have a sweet little tree.
Now I'm just hanging up our snowflake wreath. The Christmas star. Look up, look way up, and we're going to hang it from the garage. Then to add some pizzazz to our pillars at the front of the lane, we're hanging these silver and white bells that we made from trash cans. Silver white bells, silver white bells. And just to finish off the project, we're going to be hanging these bells that we got at Dollarama. And an easy way to hang them is to use wreath hangers. Thank you for watching our front porch Christmas makeover. I hope you enjoyed the projects and I hope you give some of them a try. Merry Christmas from our home to yours.